Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. 12 healthy food swaps for weight loss. Have you been trying to lose weight? If diet has been the main point of concern for you, it is time that you make the salient changes to them to boost your overall well-being for the better. For the most part, diet is what matters. What and how much you eat matters for weight loss. For the most part, that is what plays the pivotal role in this because of the fact that your body's metabolism is what helps maintain proper weight and helps you achieve the goals you have set. Swapping your unhealthy food for something healthy is a good step. If you want to keep the taste factor intact but still be able to contribute to your weight loss goals, this is something that you need to do without a speck of doubt. Mayo for mustard. The very first and possibly the most important thing in this is to swap out the excess amount of mayo for the healthy spread of mustard on the sandwich that you are eating. Butter for avocado. Instead of consuming the unhealthy fats from the butter, swap it with some avocado, which is rich in the healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which is beneficial for the overall well-being of the heart. Granola for oatmeal. Instead of eating the sugary granola with milk and added refined sugar, switch it up with some oatmeal which is loaded with high amount of fiber and has been found to help with weight loss. Bagel with cream cheese for English muffin with peanut butter. Bagel is loaded with refined grains, and even cream cheese has a high level of calories in it, which is why it is better to swap it with some English muffin with some peanut butter for the best results. Milk chocolate for dark chocolate. Yet another amazing food swap that you can do is to swap out the milk chocolate for dark chocolate, which helps with the weight loss and even has been found to help with mood swings. Closed sandwich for open sandwich. The extra piece of bread that you close the sandwich with is not a necessity and only does end up add to the unnecessary bout of excess calories. This is why open sandwiches are better. Fruit juice for whole fruit. Fruit juices have all the concentrated sugars in it, which has negative impacts on the body when you are trying to lose weight, which is why opting for eating a whole fruit is a better option. Flavored yogurt for plain yogurt with fruits. The flavored yogurt that is found in the stores is loaded with a heavy amount of sugar which is bad for weight loss. Instead, switch to plain yogurt cups and add a handful of fresh fruits on it. Syrup for poached eggs. If you tend to consume your pancakes with syrup, it is time to change that habit for good, and that too with the poached eggs which are loaded with essential proteins and don't add up to the calories. Saturated oils for coconut oil. Saturated oil like canola oil has been found to have negative impacts on the body, especially when it comes round to condition of the heart conditions and weight loss that you have set around. Soda for infused water. If you want a healthy kick to your metabolism and even detoxify your body, the best way to do so is by swapping the soda for infused water, which contains 0 calories when made at home. French fries for baked potatoes. Baked potatoes are not just healthy and will cost you a little when you make it at home, this is also good for your weight loss goals as well. Which one of these are you opting for? Join our WhatsApp subscription for the latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.